So I'm going to go ahead and go meet up with my friend Rachel. We're going to head to Starbucks. That was so awkward. We're going to go ahead and head to Starbucks and just chit chat, have a good time, and talk about whatever. And hopefully after, we're going to go to West Palm. Not me and Rachel, me and my friend Noonan, probably have lunch or something and have a good time and record. Today I plan on recording because why not? What else am I doing? And my jewelry is from Nax Jewelry. This is the Hiiii I necklace. It's so cute. Of course, most of my jewelry is from Nax Jewelry. Everything Nax Jewelry. I don't have any rings on today, but rings, everything Nax Jewelry. Super cute. And no, it's not a Birkin. No, it's not a Birkin. This is not a Birkin. This is not a Birkin. Do I wish it was a Birkin? Yes. What is the hype about the Birkins? I don't know. They're not even all that, but everybody's hyping it up. And it costs a lot of money. So, yeah, I would want a Birkin. I would definitely want a Birkin. Why not? This is my wannabe Birkin in my head. Till I get one. One of these days, I will get a Birkin. And that's okay. Cannot support my big nyash.
Yeah, I went to Orlando with my friend. You wanna see? I guess.
Wait, who's this friend?
He's a
Oh, it's a friend.
Yeah, it really is a friend.
It's a friend?
Mm-hmm.
A friend.
It's a friend.
A friend.
Yes, it's a friend. So.
A friend?
Yes. So let me show you. Of course, we have interest in each other, which I do. I have interest in him, but not in the way where I will say like.
So the story's changing. First it wasn't, no, not romantically, but now they have interest.
No. Wait. We've always had interest because we met like on Instagram.
Coffee anyway. You know I don't. I'm sorry.
You don't have to insult me like that.
Well, I'm not insulting you because technically you're not.
I want something strong and sweet.
Do a lemon drop. Do a lemon drop.
Okay, I'll get a lemon drop.
Or do like a margarita.
The skinny margarita sounds fun. I'm gonna try the skinny margarita.
Yeah.
I want something that's gonna hit me like a bus.
Yeah, margarita.
But that's sweet.
Or
really are. You're such a great friend to have. No, literally. Literally. Dinner. Like, that is crazy. Only us. Literally only us. We came from lunch to dinner.
We're still by the water though.
Still by the water.